back in California. We're at the donut shop. Hey, there's a dog. Huntington Beach, California. Eddie, good morning. Tracy, good morning. Hey, Heather, down in Texas. How are you? Hey, here we go. Little Lotus Cortina. Let's go up and see if it's okay. What this would be a 1600cc twin cam Lotus, not a tall block, a little short block, 2 DCOE, 40 or 45 Webers on the side. Here's Phil, his little Buick, 1962 Buick. Joe, Detroit, good morning. Hey, Phil, how you doing? There's Dano. Hey, Dano. Okay. Bruce, how you doing? Alrighty, let's wander. Dano, how you doing? Michael. Winter Park, Florida. Okay, Carl, yeah, I can understand that. Hey, Fat Fender Ronnie, how you doing, buddy? Find you some fat fendered Fords here real soon. Little Carmen Dia convert with a dog in. Let's see. Hey, Karen Wilo. Yeah, no music at all here. No intellectual property infringements. Kiyoshi, Japan. How you doing, man? Look at this old Cadillac right next to this McLaren. Stockholm, just caught that. Les Boyle, good morning. Cypress, Texas. Oh, you're here. Okay, you're here at the donut shop. Cool. Little Datsun 510 next to this Corvette. Tasmania. Adam, how you doing? Hoots Svensson, Sweden. Welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. How you guys doing? All right. All right. Okay. 7,000 pounds of Bondo. That's what this guy did to his 1965 Carmen Gia. It looks pretty good. All right. Carlos, Portugal. How you doing? Ma, Tillamook, Oregon. How are you? San Antonio. Hey, Kevin Flock. Kevin, it was good seeing you at Shades of the Past last week in Pigeon Forge. I wandered around the parking lot. I couldn't find that blown Chevy truck. I might have waited too long to get out there and look for you. But it was great seeing you, man. There's a dog. Roseburg, Oregon, cruise. Yeah, Brett. Casey, how you doing? Okay, we're heading towards Corvette Row, and you can see back out there, look out a little farther, you see the sun's coming on strong. It might be about 90 degrees today. Brunswick, Georgia. Hey, Jeb. Canada, yeah. Bobby Wilson, good morning. Ron Presley. Okay, I didn't see if Nilo's with us. Here's the 57 holes for you, Nilo. J2 setup. That's 3 2-barrel carbs on a 371 cubic inch holes. Oh, another dog. Okay, hey, how you doing? Oh, another little dog.
Real furry.
Sandy Graham, Southern Illinois. Hey, and Tammy Jo Dean, how you doing, Tammy Jo? Here goes this mildly customized 64 Corvette Stingray. Puerto Rico, Luis, how you doing? George, Carolina. All right, man. Yeah, stay away from all that water. .390 horse, 427, base 427, 385 horse if it was in an Impala. Yeah, dog days of the taggy in the summer. Yeah, Donut Shop, your favorite show. Yeah, mine too. I like the Balboa show. I'm going to Balboa tomorrow. We won't be doing a live feed from Balboa tomorrow, but I will be doing a breakfast. Jesse, any 63 Galaxies? Yeah, there should be. Boss Bob Wells has got an R code, but I don't think he's here today. But last week when we were in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at the Shades of the Past, Street Rodder's Triple Crown of Roddy and Bruce Ricks got Street Cruiser with a 63.5 Galaxy. Juliano, Brazil, how you doing? Okay, now I'm looking in the sun a little bit. Winnipeg, Manitoba. Danny, how you doing? Jesus Sandoval, it's a car show, but it's just we just 1974, we all just started showing up, 5 or 6 or 7 of us out in front of the donut shop. Now it's about 500. It happens every Saturday, starts around 5 a.m. And we'd clear out by 9. Actually, it's over now by 8. But we'd all clear out and let people do business, let the squares do their business. P-Town, Colorado, good morning. Ronnie Kiernut, Chicago. Jeb Stewart, Street Rodder Road Tour. I'll be on the Vintage Air leg. Not this year cruising the coast, but next year's cruising the coast. I'll be going with the Vintage Air guys out of San Antonio, Texas, I believe, as far as I know so far. Philippines, Victor, good morning. Dennis, good morning. That's the donut shop right there. All right, let's see. Wander past this 55 Chevy gasser. It's on an axle. Phoenix, Arizona. Miguel, hey, good to see you back. Edward, Louisville, Kentucky. Hey, Louisville, Kentucky, the 50th NSRA Street Rod Nats in Louisville. Next year, big celebration. Street Rodder, heavily involved in it. We're going to be bringing in all kinds of, they going to be bringing in a ton of iconic cars, and we're hoping maybe from Pete and Jake's we'll see the California Kid. It's all in the early stages, so can't make any big promises, but I can promise the 50th is going to be something. It'll blow your socks off, so you better weld them to your ankles. Norway, Ricard, how you doing? Chevelle over here. 1970 Chevelle. Underneath one of those big weeds. People keep calling them palm trees. They're weeds. Cincinnati. Hey, Tony. TJ. Yeah, TJ, I was looking for you at Shades of the Past. Yep.
Hey, get a picture of the watchdog.
This is a live video.
No. See?
Yeah, see? There we go. Got it.
The watchdog.
Yeah, I know. He's got a watch on.
Yeah.
I get it. Got it, Scrub. Okay, Scrub's in the early stages of dementia. Dougsville, Georgia. Hey, Chris, how you doing? How you doing? Tammy Joe, yeah, this little 70 Chevelle's just super detailed. Big inch motor. Puerto Rico, good morning. North Carolina, yeah, Doug, we wish I could send some sunshine to you guys like right now, man. Start drying out some of that water. South Carolina, North Carolina. Mauricio, Brazil. Okay, let's see. Let's walk through here underneath the giant weed past the 62 Corvette. Tom, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, man. How's the dog doing?
Oh,
There's the dog.
good.
Dog's doing good. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Sandy, yeah, it's a good assortment. It's a mix. Everyone's welcome at the donut shop. That's how come you saw a McLaren next to an old Cadillac. We're looking at a 62 Corvette right now. Eric, the 69 Chevelles. Yeah, we'll find some. There's always a lot of Chevelles at the donut shop. There's a little right-hand drive Morris Minor Traveler. It's a 1000cc, 998cc A-series motor. Okay, like I said, everybody's welcome. Got a hot rod next to a Lamborghini, next to a Studebaker, next to a Bronco. Jason White, good morning. Damien, yeah, 57 Nomads, yeah, absolutely. There's a dog. Tyler, Transams, yep. Just got to keep walking. The sun's coming out pretty bright now. Irv, good morning, Irv. How you doing? New Orleans, Brad, how you doing? Welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. Clovis, hey Jack. Clovis, right up in the Fresno area. Okay, here we go. Ronnie, fat fendered Ford, four-door. This is Rogers Ford. Tim, yeah, I know you need the sunshine, man. I know. Yes, I know. Callie's good. Okay. Okay, a long roof, 65 Chevy station wagon. Okay, just adding a little ozone. Texas, Danny, how you doing? Yeah, the VW, I don't know if you noticed, but it had a Chevrolet V8 engine in it. Corvette backing in. Don't pet the black dog. Don't ever pet the black dog. That particular black dog. Here we go. There's like a, okay, 58 Chevy, big window, Apache.
Yeah.
Oh, and a dog.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, Apache 10.
Naples, Florida. John, how you doing? All right. Carrie, Michigan. Oh, Gary. Sorry, I had a little booger on the G. It made it look like a C. Spain. Valentin Ivanov, how you doing? He's in Spain. They can send the rain to Spain. We don't need it in South Carolina or North Carolina. Adam, Bronco, it's a light baby blue, like a Ford production blue Bronco with the step-throughs, not the doors. Cut down doors. 30 different car shows, Detroit, Joe Olco says. Lots of Tri-5 Chevys today. Okay, that 58 Chevy Apache short bed step side's pulling out. It's guacamole green. That's not what the factory called it. Don Armstrong from Pete and Jake's. How you doing? All right. Let's see. Don Armstrong, Pete and Jake's. There we go. All right. Crusher in Texas. All right. Adam, you're quite welcome, man. There's a dog. And a fat fender. Morning, Jim. How you doing? How you guys doing?
Hey, John.
Packard Coupe over there, back there. Let's see. Donut shop, January. Damien, all year long, man. It can be Christmas Day, New Year's Day. We'll be here. 1941 Ford two-door, kind of the first of the fat fenders. The 40 started kind of blimping. 41 was into almost full blimp mode. H-Town, Florida. Hey, Todd. Les, how you doing, man? Welcome to Street Rodder's live morning feed from the donut shop, Huntington Beach, California. Little Nissan Dart, hard body revving up. Sounds like a bad fan in a Frigidaire refrigerator. All
And
right.
an RV.
Edward, good morning from Ohio. Buckeye, Russell, okay, you're in Ohio. John Sikora wants a donut. Okay. It's going to be kind of flat because I'm just going to put it in a regular envelope and mail it to you. Zach, hey, Zach Farah, Gear Star Transmissions. How you doing, Zach? I'm doing good. That's a Gear Star 4L60 that's in my 32 Ford that we're building currently. That's a tranny you got to me years ago, Zach. Thunderbolt bubble on a Falcon. I'll get around the front. Good morning. I missed that. I'm sorry. Bobby, Zombie Garage. Hey, man. 67 Camaro. Through the winter. Dano, yeah, we'll get you through the winter. That's the whole idea. Good morning, Kip. How you doing? Yeah, we'll get you through the winter. That's the whole idea. E-Type Jag, or XKEs, how we call them here in California. Well, the States, actually. Started in 61. I think the coupe started in 62. Vernal, Utah. Hey, Russ. Manuel, Baldwin Park. Hey, man, how you doing? Nova SS. Michael, you got a 59 Jag. Okay, an XK. What would that be? An XK 150? Okay, here we go. Little slab side 911. I forget what they call this color. Karen, what'd you miss? I don't know. Chevelle. We're past it. There's a little bit of a time lag here. Big Nasty Motorsports, Hillsboro, Missouri. Hey, Bob. Okay.
Morning, John.
Mitch, how you doing? Karen, truck. Yeah, lots of trucks. Bear, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, John?
Good, man. Good.
One more.
Black Project Barn Find. Cool. XK 150 Vert. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Let's cut across. I'm going to get up in the shade where I can read this screen. Wet in Alberta. Hey, Floyd, how you doing? Floyd's up in Alberta, just north of Montana. All you got to do is go through Coot Sweetgrass there at the border, if indeed they'll let you through. If you see them reaching for the rubber gloves, man, get out of there quick. Portugal, Lisbon, Sergio, good morning. Welcome to Street Rodders Live Feed. Danny, Des Moines, Iowa. Ronnie, yeah, I'm going to start working on the 32 today. Susie Q. Juarez, Mexico. Rodolfo, how you doing? How are things in Juarez? Rugby, North Dakota. Tim, how you doing? Bobby, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Portland, Tennessee. Larry, how you doing? Hey, Vincent, South Africa. How you doing? Welcome back, man. Carmen Gia behind this Merc. $1950 Merc. 4950 had a shorter butt than a 51. They extended the butt on a 51. You know, it's like everybody else. You get a little older, you get a little bigger. Butt gets a little bigger. Wyoming. Janet. Hey, Janet. Another fat fender. Ronnie will get around the front of this thing. Tokyo, Japan. How you doing? Welcome back. Little Carmen Kia. Okay, 1946 Ford Coupe. Hearst Castle, July. Carcraft employee. Geez, I didn't know we had any Carcraft employees that could afford to go to Hearst Castle. They must pay us better than Street Rodder. Okay, hold on. That's a Holden. Okay, LSX Holden. Okay. Crystal Lake, Illinois. Harding Webb. Okay, somebody asked about Trans Am, so we'll get around. Tony, Utah. How you doing? Zachary, Michigan. Hey, Richard Nelson. How you doing? Michael, you got 2 Land Cruisers. Okay.
Okay, I got a few things to do this morning, but I'll.
Okay, this is kind of Poncho Row here. The little bitty ponchos, the Firebirds, not the big Bonnevilles. David Stanley, good morning. Okay, here we go, 56 Chevy next to a 57. Tucson, hey Matthew. All right. Man, if you're in Tucson, I'd head over to Jerry Bob's and I'd get breakfast. Man, that's just one of the best places on earth to get breakfast. Okay, going to be some butt sniffing. Here comes the
What kind of
yard
mix is this?
Mexico. Jorge Espinoza, Mexico. There we go.
So cute. So cute. It's like a forever Rottweiler puppy mix.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my god, it's just like it just so
Okay, we're going to head into the shade. A little notchback. Not square back, notchback. These were gray market. These never came into Volkswagen channels here in the States. Maybe Canada, but not in the States. Okay. Karen, yeah, 56 was a good. 61 Impala, not a lot of 61 Chevy Impalas. Converts. There was a lot of Impalas, but not the converts. Not as many as 62 or 3. Trans Am Z28. Brett, Z28 for me, man. I like them all. Ask my neighbors. That's why there's about 30 cars parked in front of my house, plus old trucks. Hey, Ken Stasiak. Ken, how you doing, man? Yeah, it's a great turnout. Okay, we're back in this corner. Walk over this 55 Nomad. Get your bearings. There's that Lotus Cortina over there, and then we'll turn back over here. Sandy, yeah, lots of dogs. Ben in Sweden. Ben, how you doing? Regards, Ben, Sweden. Okay. Okay, custom interior, but he's got waffle pattern in the center, just like an original 55 Nomad. It's got the eyebrows on it. Another 55 Bel Air over there. Bronco back there. Chuck's Glass, Huntington Beach, California. It's a little roadster pickup. He's had this forever. Shots of 32. Yeah, Ronnie. Little Sunbeam Tiger. Sunbeam Tiger, Sunbeam Alpine, and the Sunbeam Toaster. The Sunbeam Toaster I don't think was made by the same company. This was Roots Group, I believe. Jean Mary, good morning. Germany, just caught the tag into that. Mark, Montreal, Quebec. Muzz, Perth, Australia. Welcome to Street Rodder's live feed. The Bronco. Ken, it's down on the other end there now. Good morning, man. How you doing? Watching from Norway. Okay. Orvind. 62 Chevy pickup, C10, small window, short bed, fleet side, laid out over there. Okay, kind of heading towards Mopar Row. Hey, Mopar Muscle Magazine. Mark Warman, Graveyard Cars. He's got a column in Mopar Muscle now. Read it. Pretty good, man. That guy can write. And man, does he know Mopar facts. Anders, Sweden. Zolly, good morning. Enzo, Toronto. Paulo, watching from Portugal. All right. Portuguese sausage and eggs. That'd make a good breakfast. Long Island Show. Need the drag strip. Walla Walla. Camaros. Oh yeah, Jim. This will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page, and we've gone past a bunch of Camaros already. And again, streetrodder.com. Stories up. There's stuff. We were last week. We're at Shades of the Past Hot Rod Roundup in at Dollywood, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And there's coverage up there. I shot videos last weekend. I only did a 2.5 minute live feed. I borrowed a phone. Okay, really clean old Monte Carlo. Pre-SS stuff. Here's a shoebox pulling out. St. Augustine, Florida. How you doing? Dumba Waka. Okay. I'm going to pass on that one. Melbourne, Australia. Stephen, how you doing? Okay, there's a Toyota Land Cruiser. Chevy V8 drops right in those. Wakes them up pretty good. Karen, yeah, the bag gold truck. It's not a Candy Pagan gold, but it's kind of the tones, the tonal qualities, I guess you could say, a Candy Pagan gold. He's going to drag it out of here. Louise, hey Louise, how you doing? Louise in Everett, Ontario. There's that 62 pulling out. Michael, thanks. Not a Monte Dano. Okay, I'll go back and take a closer look. You know, I was noticing some transgender emblems on it. You know, I'm looking at things through an iPhone, man, and plus I'm trying to read, so. Yeah, Pontiac. Okay, kind of rare. We didn't see a lot of these. Monte Carlo body with the Pontiac genitalia stuck to the front. Yeah, you're right, Dano. Good catch, thanks. Okay, now we'll go back. Louise, I'm doing all right. I got that Mustang book down to the shipping department. That's as far as it's gotten. I'm real slow at that stuff. Terry, yeah, I know. Dano already caught it. It's a Grand Prix. Man, we never even saw those back in the day. At least I don't remember. I didn't pay attention to them, to tell you the truth. Okay, there we go. There's a... Okay, we got another Chevelle coming. Chevelle followed by a 39 Ford Coupe. Hey Louise, the coffee's in the truck, the Tim Hortons is in the truck. That's all right. We're going to have a slow race, Louise. Auto Club Philippines. Counterflow Auto Club Philippines. Hey Peter, welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. StreetRodder.com, that's our website. And we got a magazine on the newsstand somewhere. Chuck, we'll see you later. Take care, man. All right. Marty, 69 Chevelle. Did you say shovel or Chevelle? There's a couple Sportsters over there. At least one. Falcon Santiago. I'm not sure where that 63 Falcon went, man. Okay, we're back by the Lotus Cortina. Okay, this blown 56 Chevy lit up. Let's walk over and get our ears full. Imports. Rashid, yeah, there's lots of imports, mostly VWs, Volkswagen Bugs. Marty, Pigeon Forge was great. Shades of the Past was a great show. How you doing? 71 and 72 Chevelles here. Montana. How you doing, Jack? Okay. Becky, this is orange. It's just a little tint. I don't know if it's a hugger orange. Maybe it's like hug your teddy bear orange. Bump side forward, long bed. Maybe even an F350, 69 Ford anyways. Notice that the rear wheels were moved way back. That's the heavy duty F-Series trucks and the bump sides. Okay, here's that little Falcon. Karen, yeah, fuel cell in the trunk. Hi. How you doing?
Well, sir.
Good. 56 Post. Yeah, the two-door. Yeah. The orange one, the coupe. Two-door sedan. Tammy Joe. Yeah, it was like, looked like kind of like a Mustang Poppy Red. Here comes that 62 Corvette. It's not making much noise. It's pretty stock. Crevier Motor Cars. That was a BMW dealer. Started out in Santa Ana with a dog. Tom, we'll see you later. Okay. Michael, yeah, little notchback, yeah. They were gray market in the States. Okay, I don't see a 57 Chevy pickup, so I think this feller here is going to be jumping in a, let's see, that black Lambo. Okay, a little 914. This one's got a, might be the one with a Chevy in it. After all, we're hot rodders. 70 Chevelle. Santiago, you're quite welcome. Building a square right now. Okay. Fat fender next to a tripod, 57 Chevy. Finland, Timo, how you doing? Jeff Wolf, how you doing, Jeff? Good to see you're with us, man. Rick Hedstrom, how you doing, man? Okay, cars are starting to clear out. There were guys leaving. We start getting here at 5 a.m., but I don't start filming until 7 because there's no light until then. ZL1 Camaro, brand new, next to an El Camino. Little Valiant over here, like a 60 or 61, maybe 62. These came out in 60. This is 62. Oh boy, I hope nobody heard that. Karen, it's delayed in case. I've never sworn on the live feed except for once. It was that bad word starts for an S, ends with a T for excrement, feces, and that's because something real bad happened. But the time delays in case, I guess, I don't think it's in case somebody swears. I was on radio a couple times and they have a delay in case somebody says something that you're not supposed to. They can cut it. David, you're back. Cancer treatment's good? Okay, good. Glad to hear that, man. Oh, shoot. Let's see here. Go back. Greg, gassed. Okay, 60 or 61 Chevy pickup. Just 2 years of this hood, 60 and 61. I forget. One had bow tie turn signals, and the other year dent, maybe. Okay, Nilo. Hey, Nilo, did you see that 57 holes J2 setup when we first started? And I think there's more stories, more stuff up. StreetRodder.com. Also, SuperChevy.com. Congratulations, David. That's from Louise. Me too. Rusty England, good morning. The gasser in the magazine, Becky says. Okay. Little slant 6 hopped up. No, it's not a Siamese twin. Well, maybe. Slant 6 with a couple carbs. Okay, all aluminum. Okay, those are rare. That was an aluminum head, aluminum block. I never saw one in the car. Sure saw them in the wrecking yard. Okay. How you doing? You gonna be at Balboa tomorrow?
Yes.
All right, I'll see you there, man. And I don't have to do a live feed. I can just goof off.
There you go.
I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, man. Jeff Clark, Phoenix. How you doing, Jeff? Arjun. Dogs. Yeah, lots of dogs, Arjun. This will archive on archives on Street Rodder's Facebook page, and we had a lot of dogs today, man. A lot of dogs. East Vancouver, BC. Hey, Paul. Ionescu, Romania. Welcome back. Always glad to see your name. Glad to see you're with us. Okay, kids, don't leave your bicycle outside at night because it'll end up looking like this. And always remember to put the kickstand down. Yeah, huh? All right. Tammy Joe, no live feed tomorrow from Street Rodder. The only live feed is going to be me eating breakfast. And nobody wants to watch that, I'll tell you. Okay. Haunting. Yeah, Becky, kind of scary. I know. Looks like a bony old skeleton should be riding it, huh? Floyd, yeah, the bike. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Stefan, Sweden, how you doing, man? Let's head. Jesse, Blue Comet. I don't know. Armando, Toluca, Mexico. For it's Independence Day. Today? Okay, I should have known that. Okay. Shout out buddies. Tyler and Dave in Calgary. Hey, Rick. Yeah, I got a bunch of friends up in Calgary. Calgary, either way, however you want to say it. Bone S, Forest Lawn. Chicago, sunny Chicago. Brad, beautiful day. Yeah. Hueytown, Alabama. Hey, James. Tyler, it's going good. Alrighty. No feed at all. Yeah, Jack, nothing tomorrow. No live feed tomorrow. But I will be doing a couple of live feeds probably from my home garage when I'm starting to work on the 32. Not any tech. I'll just show the 32, what I'm putting in it, and then I'll shut it down and just start doing still shots. It's tech features for Street Rodder magazine that'll be online and in print, imprinted in my brain. Big old 502-inch rat in this El Camino. Rosette, Texas. Hey, Cliff. 64 El Camino right over there, leaving. There's a 70 El Camino, the gold. Panel Ford Armando. Oh, Courier. Sedan delivery Fords, Couriers. I think they started calling them Courier in 52. Cody, nice Corvettes, Rat Rods, you name it, all here, Colorado. Ah, Cody, that's cool, man. That's great. 67 El Camino on the other side of this four-door Plymouth. St. Louis, Thomas, how you doing? Okay, there goes that 55 Chevy Bel Air. Rochester, New York. You got the sun in my eyes. 66 Ford F100 short bed style side. They weren't called fleet sides. That's a Chevy term. Style sides, what a Ford slab sided bed is called. Flare side if it's a step side. Step side is Chevy terminology. Bama, Australia. 57 Chevys. Paul. Well, Paul, you're in luck, man. We got some more 57 Chevys on the other side of this 56. There's a 57 two-door Bel Air hardtop. Holes in my bubble. Pulling out. How you doing? Cabo. Hey, David. Morning from Cabo. Cabo San Lucas or Cabo San Jose? Okay, here goes a old Gasser Chevy. Becky, yeah, there was Challengers. I went past them. You just have to play it back in archives. 65 Chevy El Camino, next to 67 Impala, two-door hardtop. Lee Butera. Lee, I have that book set aside for you. John.Gilbert@motortrend.com. That's my email, Lee. Email me a mailing address. It'll take a while. Louise will tell you I'm really bad about mailing stuff, but I will get to it. David, yeah, love the gassers, and we got a lot. Okay. Peter Johansson, Sweden. How you doing, Peter?
Is that your bike? Is that new? Yeah. I can't leave you alone for
59 Corvette, tuxedo black, Inca silver coves. Alan, lots of Fords, man. If you just joined us, go to Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. This video will archive. I'm live right now. But this will archive on Street Rodder's Facebook page. And you can go to streetrodder.com for more coverage, superchevy.com, and there's a bunch of other brands, but I forget. There goes that Grand Prix that Pomona, missed that. Okay, Power Glide Corvette. I had a 59 Power Glide Corvette. Rossi Power Glide with a punched out 301 dual quad. Nasty Street Fighter. Okay. Nilo, you take care too. We'll be live again sometime in the middle of the week. Nothing planned. If I do something that's real exciting on the 32, we'll fire up a live feed for a little bit. But there'll be nothing tomorrow. Won't be anything. Nothing. Good F100s. Yeah, James. Okay. Pat Yakamack, how you doing? Okay. C10s, Dean. Yeah, there's been quite a few C10s. This is just about over. You know when you almost get run over by a new BMW Convert, it's almost over. Jesus, I wouldn't paint my kid's bicycle that color. Okay. 59 Ford. All right. Shop Wink. Oh, you know what? God, I should swing by there, but I just might. And if I show up at Camera Speed Shop in Orange tomorrow, there's a big open house. It's kind of a pre-celebration for Cruising for the Cure, which is the following weekend. And I'll be covering the move-in for the show at Cruising for the Cure. Ron's tomorrow. Yeah, I will show up, Wink. I'll go down to Balboa first, and then I'll head by Ron's. God, why are we looking at that? Kids, cover your eyes. He's not going live tomorrow. I guess watch repeats. Louise, play them back in the archives. Brad, first Bronco in white. This one's not white. It's a light blue metallic. Okay. Dano, all right, you take care too. Might as well be on a BMW. That's right, Ray. Okay. Okay, a little 65 El Camino fired up. Stay on the 57. Too late. Okay. Fourth gen Novus. David? Can't remember. 70 El Camino. Okay, Boxer jumped in this Roadster. That's where we'll finish up. Pontiacs, Cliff. Yeah, this will archive on Street Rodder's Facebook page, Cliff. There was all kinds of everything today, so you can play it back. I'm getting ready to shut this down and go home and take all the cardboard boxes off the trunk of the 32 and see if it's still under there. One last dog. Yeah, she does. She's watching your every move, man. Yeah. All right. Plymouth Bobcat. Louise watching repeats. Yeah. I don't get residuals. In fact, like if you watch a repeat, I don't get a check in the mail so I can buy a donut or something. In fact, all Facebook Live is to Street Rodder is it's a brand extension. And that's it. Cheers, Paul. All right, Becky, talk to you later. All right, we'll talk to you all later. Thank you very much for joining Street Rodder Magazine's live feed from Huntington Beach, California. Yeah, I'm home again. And for a while this time. We'll talk to you all later. Okay, bye-bye. Remote sit upon. I can't read the rest of it. Mark, yeah. All right. Dean, talk to you later, man. Ronnie, you take care too, man. Fat Fender Ronnie, take care, buddy. All right. We're gone. Elaine, you're late. Yeah, Gene, you're gonna have to watch the reruns in a minute. All right, we're gone. Thank you all very much.